Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. I am just keep coming with these products for you guys, and this one I didn't open already. So we're gonna open it together. Ding! So we are gonna open it together. Ding! Portable blender. First of all, I love this packaging. It's pink and it matches. You know how I love matching. My favorite color isn't pink, but when things match, it just makes my life happier. Right now, I love when things match, so I'm very excited about this. I love the picture here. It's just so pretty. And also, this is a techie. I would consider this to be a techie item because it's electronic, right? You plug it in. And guess what? The information, all I need to know without reading a manual, is on the box. So first things first, it says convenient drink lid and handy carry loop. LED light design and 6 blades. Cool. 600 milliliter capacity and a bottom lid. That is everything that comes with this. It's also 20 ounces and rechargeable. Here are the specs. It says charge time takes 3 to 5 hours, but the good thing it is rechargeable. And I love that because then you could take it with you. Like when I saw this, I said, okay, I am always on the go, so I can use it when I'm vlogging, I'm in my car, I need to drink something really quick if I'm busy doing stuff. I can use it for work. I can take it to the gym, post-workout, leave gym, have my smoothie in the car, go to work. You know what I mean? Like quick and simple and easy. Or I can just leave it on my countertop, but because there's not a bunch of cables in every place, I don't need to leave it on the countertop where the outlet strip is. So I'm already loving this concept. It's stainless steel, 30-second cycle time for blending, and the rest of the stuff I don't think you need to know. You guys, the model number, I'm not gonna tell you the model number, but the model number is the same number of my apartment. It's like destiny. It is destiny. I already love this this blender. See, the little things make me very happy. So we're gonna open it together. You see, it comes with a USB-C to USB-A connector. Okay, so we'll just put that there. Here's the top. Alright, from the outside it looked like it was my favorite color, but so far it looks black right now, which is fine. But if it is white, like it shows here in the picture, I would be really happy. If not, I would say that is a mini flaw. Mini flaw. Okay, so it's black. I'm a little disappointed. I really wanted the white one that was on the box, picture of the box. So I think with packaging, maybe the color of the bottle should be the color of the bottle on the box. But that would be the only thing that, you know, would be, I think, a negative critique. However, this is fancy. Look at that. My keys have this exact same check mark and brown, dark brown and light brown of a bear. So again, is this like destiny? Am I supposed to have this blender? Am I being too weird, you guys? So here's the blender. Hole right here. So then you can carry it when you're going places. So that's cool. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot, actually. I like that this is green and it's not just white. That's cool as well. Oh, look at that, you guys. It looks like it comes charged. That's a plus. Okay. Let's unscrew the bottom as well. So it's red, letting you know, look, don't press me because I'm not attached to anything. I like that because for me, I would do something. Green means it's safe, it's ready to go. I like that. I like that about it a lot. Let's see. Look at that, isn't that cool? Nala's like, what is going on? It's okay, baby. Here, wanna smell it? Don't be scared. It's okay. It's a blender, like when Mama makes yummy yummies. Yeah, it's a blender. Mama can put some stuff in here for you. Yeah? I love you. So that's cool. I like that the color lets you know that it's either working or it's not safe. It came with this little visual diagram, which I'm a visual person, and I like that it's short and sweet. Once it'll just do the regular cycle, but if you press twice, it'll do like a pulsing sensation, almost like when you chop food in the it's like when you chop food in that machine. I don't have that machine. I forgot what it's called. It starts with a P. Comment down below if you know. Food processor. Food processor. Press twice, you'll get like a food processor thing. So I think the best way to describe this blender would be if you do meal prep and you do like the smoothie bags, you cut up the fruit in advance, or if you have the frozen fruit that's already cut up, you put them in your little baggies and then you grab the bag, dump it, add water and go. I would say that's the best way to go. Or if you have a protein, whey protein, isolate protein, whatever protein, let me not get into that. But if you have that, to do that as well. Shells and things like that for nuts you don't want to put in there because you don't want to mess up the blades. But yeah, I think that's great. Let's go make a smoothie because I'm hungry. And let's try it out. Well, I'm going to wash it first, let it dry, make the smoothie, I'll film it, and we'll go from there. How about that? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I washed it. Sorry, my hands might be a little shaky. I'm going to do some mango. Okay, I'm filming with my phone here. By the way, I forgot to mention, to open this, you just press this button, okay? All right, ready? All right, let's see. Get a straw here. Definitely blended very well. Alright, you guys, so here we are. It was pretty cool. Very good experience. My only concern is me being like funny. If this is charged, I might press it while I'm drinking, so I'll have to make sure to keep my hand in the back for anyone else who might do the same. But yes, my love. This is for adults. It's not for pup-pups. Hi, Solly. I love you. You okay? Okay, disclaimer really quick. I'm complaining that this doesn't have a bottom and it's not safe. But it does have a bottom. I just forgot to put it on. However, I still think if it's on the go, it defeats the purpose. So but yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, definitely put it a thumbs down so I can work on making better content. But yeah, I hope you guys love this video, and until my next video,